we decided to name our seed library the Red River Seed Library. So why did we choose the name Red River? Because this place is Red River. This place was once known as the Métis settlement, or sorry, the Red River settlement, and this is the birthplace of the Métis Nation. This is our homeland. And the seeds that we've grown now were historically grown by the Métis that lived here many generations ago. So in honor of them, our seed library is named after them, as well as the Métis that are here today in these generations that have been helping look after the seeds on our homeland. And also because it helps us to define a bioregion. We want our seeds to be locally adapted, and so we want to grow our seeds in this general region. So the Red River region, or bioregion, is basically the drainage basin of the Red River, which extends quite far and is also, it overlaps with the Métis homeland, which is international. Métis did not recognize boundaries during the time of the birth of our nation, and so we have Métis in Minnesota and Montana and Saskatchewan, and so this is our bioregion as well. We also know that the Métis have maternal ancestors that includes Cree, Ojibwe, Sioux, and so on, who lived in this land, in this area as well, Treaty 1 territory. And so this is a homeland that we share together with them as well. And then, as in the vision of Louis Riel, was to welcome the immigrants and to have us all working and living harmoniously together. And this is what we're doing now, and it's really important for us to have the participation of our allies and the settlers and other people that live here, because our history is your history, and we need each other to do this together. An interesting concept that some of us have been discussing is how a lot of immigrants were growing corn, beans, and squash back in their homelands before they arrived here. And during the past 500 years or so of colonization, there was a lot of disruption in our community, and a lot of our seeds could have been lost and the skills and the knowledge displaced as the people were going through all this chaos and dislocation and so on, decimating populations, and that would have affected our seed supply. But we were wondering how many of those seeds that we were not able to keep a hold on during all this time ended up being stewarded by immigrants who came back here with the seeds. So we'd be interested in finding seeds of corn, beans, and squash, our traditional crops, that have come back with other people that are living here with us now. And so we're celebrating also this partnership that we have with Canadian Mennonite University, and honoring our maternal ancestors with the name of our